Clean a CD. Dirt, grime, and dust on a CD can definitely compromise the quality of the music when you try to play it. The dirty build-up can cause skipping, mess with video play or files, or sometimes just render the CD unreadable. Cleaning a CD can ensure that it remains in a condition that accommodates easy reading and the data accessibility. Follow these steps when you are cleaning your CDs to have the best results without damage. Purchase a CD cleaner. These are commercially available and easy to use. They will help clean your compact disc without damaging it. Don't just use any cleaning product, as it may very well cause a lot more harm than good. Follow the instructions on the cleaner. Carefully hold your CD by using your thumb and forefingers around the edge of the CD. It is best not to touch the actual surface, but secure it using the middle hole and the outside edging. Spray your CD cleaner onto a static-free cloth. Do not rub in circles, but instead rub in gentle, straight lines from the center of the disc outward. No large amount of force is required. If you press at all on the compact disc, you can damage it by rubbing away the protective coating that covers the information on the disc. Wipe your CD until it is completely dry and clean. Placing a wet CD in any electronic equipment can have nasty consequences, such as ruining your CD player permanently. The one thing to remember with CD care is that it is a very gentle process. Never force or scrub at your CD. Do not touch the surface of your CD with your fingertips, and avoid static at all costs. Cleaning CDs is not a very hard task, but if you are not well informed, you'll find your cleaning can actually cause much more harm than good. If you're nervous about manually performing the cleaning, you can buy a motorized cleaner that does all the work. Even if cleaning doesn't correct skipping, for the cost of an average new CD, or perhaps a little more money, you can buy a disc repair kit that actually repairs scratches and strengthens the protective layer that coats a disc's surface. Required tools: CD cleaner, static-free cloth. Caution: never ever use general cleaners, as you will likely damage the CD. Do not scrub at the CD, or you will remove the coating and completely damage it. Quick tips: wipe in straight lines instead of a circular motion. Hold the CD using the edges and the middle hole.